Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different softwares. Also, we are open for our live online classes. So today, we are going to discuss something about Lumion. So normally, what people do when they have to open a saved file in Lumion, they usually go to the saved file and double click on it. But there is a problem while doing this. So people usually expect that by double clicking on any Lumion file, they will open it and they can edit it. But this is not possible. So we have another ways to do it. So at first I will demonstrate you what actually happens when we double click on any particular file of Lumion. So this is what actually happens. Like, you can view your model that you have saved previously in Lumion. You can just take the view of this model from all the directions, but you can't find any option to edit this model. So today I will show you how you can find an option through which you can edit your model. But before that, I would like to make clear to you that you can open your saved model in Lumion by just double clicking on it, but you can't edit this model. So now let's learn a technique through which you can open as well as edit your saved model. So I will close this one. And now I will open Lumion. So first of all, I will have to start my Lumion software. Now that we have reached over here, we have to go and select the option of load scene and model. So I will just click on it and then I will choose load scene and models. Now suppose I want to open this model. So I will just choose this model and click on open. Now over here I have to click on OK. So you can see here I have my model, but it's not like I can just view this model. I also have options to edit this model. Over here I have all my options through which I can edit this model. So this is the simple way through which you can open your saved Lumion models to edit. Also, if you want to learn any particular trick in Lumion, then you can write your comment in the comment section and I will make a video on that. And if you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the link in the description and it will redirect you to this page where you can just fill this Google form and our team will connect with you. Till then, take care.